Hey guys, today we are looking at these budget active noise cancelling headphones that only cost around $40 to $50. Recently I was contacted by this company to review their headphones, and I've been using these headphones for almost a week now. And guys, also they were nice enough to give 20% discount for our viewers only, so link is given in the description as well. So let's find out if it's really worth it, and also I'm going to talk about some of the cons that I faced during my usage. And guys, like this video and also subscribe. Let's begin the video. If you look at some of the key specs, it does have the Bluetooth 5.0, which is really important, and also the mic, so you can use it for calling as well. And it has 500 mAh battery, which is huge. So anyway, in the box you are getting this nice carry case, which is really helpful in carrying this around. And the quality also feels really good. So on one side you have the headphones tucked away, and on the other side you have some manual and the charger and other stuff. So you can also get 12 months extra extended warranty as well, so that is pretty good as well. And also you have the user manual that also has instructions in different languages, and the charging cable along with this 3.5mm to 3.5mm jack, which means you can actually use these headphones as wired ones as well. So looking at the headphones, they have this chrome sort of finish which actually make them look kind of premium. And guys, these are over the air type headphones, so kind of they look bulky, but yes, normally this is the case with any over the air headphones. If you didn't know, you could Google them. But because of this design, they provide some good noise isolation, and this also has the active noise cancelling, so that also helps in isolating more noise. And because of this, normally this sound better compared to other type of Bluetooth headphones. So you can also adjust the headband according to your head size, and you can also fold them, so it makes it easy to carry them around as well. So looking at the buttons and ports, you have this active noise cancelling switch. You can turn it on or off, and it turns blue if it is on. And also you have the microphone, as you can see here, and you also have the 3.5mm audio port as well. And you have this working indicator, which basically indicates whether it is on, off, pairing mode, etc. And you also have the power button, and you have the volume buttons as well. Yes, you can control the volume, and you can skip tracks as well. And also on the other side you have the charging port also, along with the charging connector as well. Pairing was very easy. All you have to do is just press and hold the power button until you see the red and blue light blinking, and that means it is in pairing mode. And you can just pull out your mobile and start searching for the Bluetooth devices. And guys, I did not face any connection drops whatsoever during my usage, so that is very good. Now talking about the sound quality, I'm pretty impressed with the sound quality, especially the soundstage. I mean, if I did a blind test, I wouldn't be able to tell that it is a Bluetooth headphone. It is that good. It is as good as the wired earphones that I have tested in the budget range, so that is really surprising. It could be because of the form factor or those 44mm drivers that they claim to have used. And also yes, the Bluetooth 5.0 could be also a reason for the better sound quality. There is good amount of bass, and the quality of the bass is not like boomy bass. It is punchy, but I would have liked a bit more tighter bass. The mids are decent, and the treble could have been slightly crisper, but it is just nitpicking, guys. And if I were to compare this with this Philips Bluetooth headphone that I've been using for a few months, I can say that the bass is almost twice on these headphones, and also the sound stage is way better compared to these Philips headphones. And if I switch between them, I can find a lot of difference. But yes, the Philips is very lightweight. But anyway, we'll talk about that later. Also guys, I noticed that if I switch to Bluetooth 5.0 device, I noticed a slight bit of improvement in the sound quality. It could be placebo, it could be just my feeling, but I just wanted to share that as well. Another thing that I noticed is that it sounds differently when you turn on the active noise cancellation and turn it off. So it's something like turning the surround sound on and off. So maybe that would be a good example to give. Also, I tried calling indoors and I did not have any issues, and the overall experience was very good. Now talking about the noise cancellation, I won't say it's great, but it is definitely good. Now the form factor and the ear cups actually cover the entire ears, so they already provide some good noise isolation. And when you turn on the noise cancellation, it can block good 50 to 60% of ambient noise in normal public places like the bus station or railway station. airplane, so it could come in handy. And if you start playing music, then it will cut out most of the noise outside and you won't be able to hear almost anything what is happening outside. Now talking about the battery life, it has got some insane battery life, guys. I've used almost 3-4 days every day, 3 to 4 hours, and it lasted over 13 to 14 hours. So that is insane. And almost 90% of the time the active noise cancellation was turned on. So if you turn it off, maybe you could get even better battery life. So that's really impressive. Now talking about the cons, I wish it had a tighter fitting because my head is smaller than usual, and I could shake them off my head. If I start running or if I do any intensive activity, then it would come off. But if I jog, then there is no issue. Also, it has some weight to it and it feels a bit bulky, and I'm not used to these over the ear headphones, and this is my first time using these kind of headphones, so I felt them to be a bit bulky, and in the summers especially you could really get sweaty. But if you are in an AC environment, then it shouldn't be a problem. And finally, you cannot connect this to two devices at the same time, so that is another con. So overall, for the price of $40 to $50, I'd say for the sound quality alone, I would easily buy them. And the active noise cancellation is like a bonus. If you can get it under $50, around $40, then it is a steal deal. So that's been it, guys. I hope you liked this video. Please give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.